Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create inventory table on Google Sheet by iPhone. So here I already have my documents, and I would like to suggest you to fill your documents with this example that I give to you. You can just follow these instructions. You can just fill a code, item, start, sold, stocks, and info for the column, and you can fill the informations for the rest. You can create the code by your own, and I would like to suggest you to create the code related to the product that have the same function. You can see the item here. I have cup hot, cup ice, cup holder, and cocktail napkin with the same code in the beginning, which is 1, and 2 stand for the raw materials, and the 3 will stand for the cake that I sell. And now in the start tables, in the start column, you can like fill with the stocks that you have in the beginning of the day, and the sold items means that the items that you sells on those days. And now let's count the stocks. So how to count the stocks that you have? You just need to go in the stocks columns and click the cells, go click the pencils button, and just go click the equals. Now you just need to go click the start or the beginning stocks that you have, and you just need to put the minus to the sold item. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checks button. And now let's do a fast fill for the rest by go block all of the cell, go click it, and do click autofill, and those cells will have the same result and the same formula. And then for the next things, let's jump into the info. So this info tables will be containing the information either you need to restock the item or not. So now we need to use the if function. Go click this pencils button, go click the equal, and type if, and you just need to choose this part and follow this instruction. So the logical expression will be the stocks column here. So this is the item that we have, and we need to set the minimum amount of the items that we need to repurchase. For example, if this stocks is less than 50, let's say, so you just need to put these symbols with this, and you just need to add this statement. So you just need to type repurchase, and then go add the symbols again. And for the next statement is the opposite of this word, which is available. And whenever you're done, you just need to add these symbols for the ends and go click add. And now you can see, since the stocks that we have here is 100 and the minimum is 50, so the stock is still available and you don't need to repurchase it. So let's do an autofill for the yellow part, and you can see the seconds, which is the cup ice item. We only have 21 stocks, so we need to repurchase it. So that's the way how to create inventory table on a Google Sheet, guys. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.